What's up guys, I'm back with a new video. Today it's a nice sunny day outside. Therefore, I'm going to finally inspect these wheel spacers. It has been 168 miles, well, basically 169 miles since I put on my wheel spacers. And now I'm going to do the proper maintenance. I'm going to retake the wheels off and just inspect the wheel spacers and torque it down to 100 foot-pounds again. Alright guys, so all you're going to want to do first is take off the lug nuts from the wheel, and then you're going to remove the wheel. Once you have taken off your wheel, I placed it right there, you're going to want to just inspect your wheel spacers for any cracks or any unusual bends. So for me right now, everything looks alright. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your torque wrench, and then you're just going to torque it down, star pattern of course, to spec. I'm going to do it 100 foot-pounds for my particular situation. So once again, if you don't know what star pattern is, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically like how you make a star. Looks pretty nice. And yeah, just torque it down. Alright, so I just torqued it down. Everything is to spec. Nothing weird happened. It clicked on the first time I tried to tighten it, which means that nothing has changed, which is perfect. That's what you want. Now, all you're going to do is put the tire back onto the wheel spacer and do this every other rotation, which is basically every other oil change. I'm finally at the back tire, or the back wheel. I did all the other wheels already. This took me around, I would say, like 40 minutes, just because I was checking everything, making sure everything was okay. And yes, this thing is okay too. It's funny, so the first two up front, the first wheels, they were perfectly torqued, so they didn't really need any more torquing. But the back wheels, well, since these are like old drum brakes, I guess because the surface wasn't as smooth as the rotors up there, this had to be torqued down like a very little bit more for it to finally make that click sound. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. The back two just had to be torqued a little bit more than the front. The front was fine. Didn't have to do anything with the front. But the back, I'm assuming that's just because like when I'm driving there's like vibration and this thing was trying to settle in finally. Yeah, look how rusty and old these drum brakes are. It's just surface rust, I know that, but still, that probably had like, you know, little imperfections on the mounting surface, and that's probably why I had to torque it down a little bit more. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comment section down below, and see you next time. Peace.